Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back to another product review. This will be a quick one. This is the Ryobi 40 volt, 12 inch wheeled snow shovel. Now it's not a snow blower, it's a electric snow shovel. And it's not meant for doing huge areas like a big driveway like I've got. That's why I've got the Ryobi 40 volt multi-stage snow blower, which I guess we're going into our 5th winter now. Still works beautiful, no issues whatsoever. Batteries are all still in good shape, but I picked this up because, well, let's be truthful. I picked this up to do the review, and I was looking for something. I've got about 600 square feet of deck on the back of the house. You're not going to get the big snowblower up there. It's a pretty fair-sized deck. It stretches off the back of the house. It's 36 wide by 12 deep, and then comes up this side again, 12 off the side of the house, and probably another 24 this way. So it's a big area. There's a lot of places the snow builds up, slides off the roof because we have a steel roof. And it's a lot to shovel, like really, truthfully it is. And if you're not careful, the shovel, I mean, my shovels have got the metal edge on them. The shovels will dig in and leave marks in the pressure treated lumber. And then come summertime, you've got all these dig marks and stuff in your deck. And I didn't like that. So I was looking at picking one of these up last year. And I will admit, I wasn't happy with the price up here in Canada right now. And I'll throw the Home Depot ad up here right next to me. The Canadian price for this right now is $278 for the tool only. That doesn't include battery, doesn't include charger. If you want to go battery and charger, I think that adds like another 50 or 60 bucks to it. And they give you one of the small 4 amp hour batteries, which I had one and that's what I've got on it right now. That's a lot of money for one of these things. Now, I picked it up on a Black Friday special, tool only, for $169. So it was like 110 bucks off. I think it was like 35% off or something like that. So with that price, I couldn't go wrong. And you know what? I'm pretty impressed. It'll move a fair amount of snow. It's sort of light for the most part. Like the whole thing might weigh 35 pounds. I will admit, and let me knock it off the box here. I'll just move it forward a little bit. It does not sit on its own. It will fall over backwards like a regular snow shovel will. But yeah, it's not bad to work with. This is a great tool if you've got, like I do, a large deck area you want to keep the snow off of. And I'll put a clip up next to me of that thing moving the snow off it. It works pretty well. Or you get like an elderly relative or yourself, and you just don't have the strength to fight with a shovel to move some snow off your porch or your sidewalk, and even off of like a single car wide, 2-car deep driveway, it would do that without an issue. Now, and I'll show you in some of the video I've got running up next to me, it is only good, they say, for 6-inch clearing depth, and that's because, and this is one of the shortcomings, I know Ego and Toro, they make these as well. I think there's a couple other ones, but I know the Ego and the Toros, they have an adjustable chute on the front, and this one doesn't. And what happens is the snow blows straight up the front of it into where you're trying to move snow, and all of a sudden that 6-inch deep snow you're dealing with now becomes 8 or 10 inches deep, especially if it's a little heavier. And the machine doesn't bog down, it just literally stops. You just can't push it into that snow anymore. So that's a little, that's a little downfall, I guess. Now, I'll have to check the price of the Ego and the Toro. I'm pretty sure the Ego is a little more money, but I'll put that comparison price up. And be advised, these are Canadian prices because that's where I live. If you're my friends to the south, well, check your local Home Depot. I don't know who sells Ego in the US. We used to have Lowe's up here and they carried it, but we don't have Lowe's anymore. It's Rona, they're still carrying it. Maybe Lowe's in the US carries the Egos, I'm not sure. But yeah, performance-wise, that little 4 amp hour battery, I have cleaned the 600-ish square feet of deck space I've got back there 3 times now. That many times, not 3, one more finger, Dave. 3 times. I'm about to take it out and do it a 4th. My daughter used it here day after Christmas. We got about 4 inches of snow fell. She used it. She cleared the step because we were out at friends for dinner evening. She cleared our step, our walkway, spot in the driveway for the car, and 2 strips down the driveway so we could get up through it, because, you know, there was a lot of snow and the plow had gone through and filled it in. But we've done that, and the battery is still showing 2 bars on it, so it's still got 50% life. So you're gonna move a lot of snow with this on even a small 4 amp hour. I think I got 6 or 7 now with the 6 amp hour, the bigger batteries downstairs. So you might charge one of those and do what you need all winter. But yeah, in closing, yeah, it works really well for what I wanted it for and the price I paid for it. At 200 and basically 80 bucks for the tool only, and probably, I'm gonna have to look it up, I'm pretty sure it's like 350-ish with a battery. Man, I don't know, it's a lot of shovels, and you just be careful on your deck and stuff. But, you know, if you want something that, you know, doesn't take a whole lot of physical force to move this around, or you're looking for a gift for somebody who, you know, an elderly family member, somebody who needs something just to clear some small amounts of snow around, this might be the tool for you. Ryobi does make a 18 volt version of this. It's only like a 10 inch wide clearance path and 4 inch deep. They're 250 bucks with a battery. Maybe that's what you should be looking at if you, for something real small and real easy to handle. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, for what I paid for it, I'm good with that. If you're paying full price, watch for sale. Until next time, thanks for watching. See you then.